Today we will have a look at 3 different business ideas for AI image generators like Stable Diffusion, Midjourney or Dall-E. Of course, these are just examples to inspire, so don't take them literally, at least before checking out legal rights and etc. But anyway, let's just get into the first idea. So the first idea I had was selling Lego-style children's posters. So what I created here with the Midjourney is, I would say, famous video game characters and other children's movie characters like Mickey Mouse, Spider-Man, Transformers, we got from Star Wars, Paw Patrol, all into this Lego looking like characters. I think they look pretty cool, and what I thought was that you could sell them as drop shipping, where you just calculate the cost and the price of shipping and add just a margin on top of that. Or you could physical print them and sell them from your own storage on Facebook or other local marketplaces. So I think they look pretty good, like if we see here how they will look on the wall. I think this could be very popular among children's, and as we know, parents often spend a lot of money on their children, so I think this is a fairly good idea. Okay, so the next idea I have is actually wallpaper design samples with the new function from Midjourney, tiles. So what you get here is, if you see, I created these 3 on top here with just dash tiles. So what you can do, these are seamless, so when we scale them up, they fit perfectly. So this goes to this, and this goes to like this. And what this can be used for is, of course, wallpapers. So I thought you could maybe design samples that you could create and maybe print them and sell them to people, or you can design wallpaper styles for companies that make wallpaper, I guess. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I feel there is something here that you could take advantage of. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but maybe creating samples could be a good idea. And the third idea I had was actually creating like a custom stock photo service. We all know how expensive stock photos can be, so what I thought with Midjourney and other like Stable Diffusion and maybe Dall-E too, you could start, I wouldn't say you should start like a big stock photo service because that's very expensive, but I think you can look locally, contact local businesses who are consumers of stock photos, like local websites, advertisers and etc., and just offer your custom AI stock photo service. So they could order like, we need exactly this and this and this, like maybe they need a dog sitting on top of the desk, or like a pumpkin for Halloween, pancakes, a boy with a VR headset. You get the point. So I think this could be I'm sure a lot of people has thought of this, but maybe every local business maybe don't have time to buy a AI art generator themselves to create their own images. So I think this could work, but I wouldn't go like big nationally. I would just focus on your local market. So I hope this gave you some inspiration or maybe some ideas to start a business where AI image generators are integrated. Check out this video if you like this one, and let me know in the comments if you have any other ideas. Anyway, have a great day and I'll see you again.